If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family, we've been talking about design, or we will be talking about design, and I want to encourage you to design your own photograph if you have not yet. And as we step through these videos and you watch these videos on design, think about the elements of what you shoot, whether you're shooting landscape, wildlife, any kind of stock. Whatever your focus is, take a subject within your design and your scope of photography and design something out. Have something of a proposed portfolio that you can take from those sketches and ideas, designs, or if you've even taken images of your designs and create a portfolio so that people have an idea, a little bit like a food menu. When you look at a food menu, some of those items are the more popular items that people may not know how it looks, or the restaurant creates a photograph of what it looks like to draw the desire of the customer to buy that item. So that would be an idea for you to create and design a photograph so that you know how it looks and you have all the parameters of that photograph and what is required to achieve that look. And that way you have a type of menu for your clients to order from. And when they ask you to do your photographs, they will have already seen that body of work, that design portfolio that you have, and they can then decide whether they like this look or that look, and something that they're going to feel showcases their personality and what they like and how they want to be presented, how they want to be seen. That will help draw the clients that you want to what you do, because you already have these things established and how that they can see themselves in that photograph. That's really the whole basis of design anyway, is to showcase that person well. Or if it's not a person, if it's an animal or scenery, wildlife, it's not just about seeing the subject, it's about setting it in that environment or atmosphere, as we've called it, so that it showcases that subject in the best possible light. Showing all the things that we like about that subject, or all the things that the subject has to showcase. There's a real point in photography being the medium that's used for marketing. And the point of photography is to showcase the subject in the best light. So what we do as photographers is pointing out all the best, most attractive attributes that can be seen physically of the subject. And I guess in some ways you could say that photography is a very heavily used tool, and when properly used, is what gets a lot of buyers past a lot of their questions and ready to the point of closing. So in the thought process and technical jargon, you could say, of selling, photography is what does a lot of the selling of the product or the person, the subject of the photograph. With that selling, then we have been able to, if the photo is designed well, we have been able to answer the what of the product being sold, the who, as far as who should want to buy this, and possibly the how of how it can be bought. So therefore, the three questions that are already answered lead to that whole purpose of the salesperson being able to close the sale and to entice the person from wanting to buy to actually buying. Thank you so much for watching. and there's so many more thoughts that are coming through my head, and I just need to write them down so we can talk about them in future videos. But I look forward to seeing a thumbs up on this video if this video has added content and this content has added value to your photography. But give us a comment down below as to what that value has added to your photography. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, adding you to our Photos family. God bless.